Welcome to PageProof's fresh new features, where we take a quick look at just some of the new features and enhancements our team brought to yours over the last month. With the new bookmarking feature, it's now easier than ever to pick up right where you left off in your review process. Whether you're reviewing a lengthy document or a detailed video or audio file, simply click to add a bookmark to mark your spot. The next time you open the proof, you can jump directly to the exact page or precise time you marked, saving you valuable time. Team administrators now have the option to make the reference text field mandatory when setting up proofs. This ensures that team members consistently include essential details like customer codes or job numbers every time they create a new proof. Introducing the PageProof plugin for Final Cut Pro, designed specifically for video editors. Create proofs directly from Apple's Final Cut Pro, send them to a PageProof automated workflow with reminders too, and even add a checklist to guide reviewers. When a to-do list is returned, view comments directly on the video timeline, allowing editors to quickly action comments and mark them as done. Once edits are complete, simply upload a new version with a click, streamlining your video production workflow and speeding up the review process. We're excited to announce the extension of SmartCheck content credentials to include audio files, bringing greater transparency and trust to your creative review process. SmartCheck analyzes audio files and displays critical details in the dimension pill, including duration, bitrate, sample rate, channels, and content credentials, helping reviewers confirm your audio meets creative and technical needs. 2 new audit events are now available: to-do and approval message logging, and for enterprise customers, the tracking of ShareLink invitations. These enhancements empower proof owners with comprehensive oversight of their proofs. Enterprise team administrators can now access a powerful new report that provides a detailed overview of reviewer decisions. Search by create date range of your team's proofs to uncover insights. Team administrators can also now control how GIF files are handled when creating proofs in PageProof. Choose between converting GIFs into a video proof format or an HTML web proof format, giving you the flexibility to tailor the proofing experience of GIFs to the needs of your team and clients. For team members and teams with the private comment setting enabled, you can now customize your comment preference directly from your user profile. Choose whether your comments on proofs default to public, which is the standard setting, or private. The popular automated barcode scanner now displays the dimensions of the barcode or QR code. This update ensures codes meet size specifications for optimal scanning and printing quality. Easily copy the barcode type, code, and dimensions, and with a click, create a comment. Russian has been added to our supported languages, enhancing our commitment to global collaboration. Set your language preference in your main menu. We're thrilled to announce the launch of the PageProof plugin for Figma. Creating new proofs and new versions directly from Figma has never been easier. Choose the format that works best for your project. A shared prototype URL will create an interactive Figma proof where reviewers can click through links and experience your design's interactivity. Choose a static file option to create a traditional proof with clear fixed visuals. After exporting, designers can quickly set up automatic reminders, send the proof to an automated workflow, and add a handy checklist to guide reviewers, all designed to ensure project deadlines are met. Download the plugin today from Figma. At PageProof, we're committed to making our platform inclusive for everyone. As part of our journey towards greater accessibility across the entire platform, we're excited to announce a big step forward with the proofing screen. Stay tuned as we continue to expand accessibility throughout PageProof, empowering every user to contribute and collaborate effortlessly. You'll want to make sure you're up to date with what's new in PageProof, so subscribe to our channel or follow us on LinkedIn. PageProof, making feedback welcome.